Hey small animals, welcome to week 5 of distance learning. This is going to cover April 27th through May 1st, and we're going to hope that my neighbors don't think it's time to mow the lawn again while I try and do this video. So, our learning targets for this week are going to be to evaluate controversial pet health topics, assess alternative healthcare methods, and then that last one doesn't apply anymore, so I'll take that off there. Our ongoing project is going to be the SAE project, and if you have questions, you should contact Miss Cyber or myself. Alright, you guys have been pretty good about turning your assignments into the Google Forms. I just want to reiterate that one more time. We still have a couple people that aren't doing that and are sharing them. So if you get an email that says you're missing something, that's why, because it's not in that folder, so I'm not able to see it. So just want to keep encouraging you guys to use those forms. It makes everyone's lives a little easier. Everything's going to be due May 1st at midnight. You do not have school that day per the governor's order, so you won't have an assignment for that day, but you still have until that night to do that. That didn't sound good. But anyways, alright. So on Monday, our assignment is going to be your at-home animals. For week 5, your Dropbox is right below that. Our Tuesday assignment is going to be the alternative healthcare project. This is actually going to take us Tuesday and Wednesday. So on Tuesday, you are going to just define all these alternative medicine definitions and just make sure you understand what they mean, because that doesn't, for taking care of our pets, we don't always just use surgery or something like that. So that's going to help expose you to that. On Wednesday, you're going to take one of those terms and you're going to make a creative informational poster about it. So you have a blank template right here. And your instructions are in the assignment instructions, so you can do that. Whoops, wrong tab. Alright, and then once you're done with both days, you can turn it into the Dropbox right there. On Thursday, we're going to talk about controversial health topics. Oh my gosh. I think there's 5 in this document where I have you watch a quick video, and it'll illustrate the pros and cons of cropping ears, for example. And then you get to form your opinion. What do you think? Do you agree or disagree with the procedure, and why? So you need to do all of these 5, and I think I timed out the videos, and if you're working at the same time, it shouldn't take you more than 25 minutes to do. So that's a good assignment length, I guess, since, yeah, they're supposed to be about that long. So once you're done with that, you can go ahead and turn that into the weekly plan, and again, no school on Friday. So that covers everything in our weekly plan. If you have any questions, reach out to us. I also wanted to let you know that this is going to be the last week that I will grade and post your video for, because Friday is actually my last day of student teaching. So I wanted to thank you guys for everything that you've done in your class, I guess. You guys are a really good group of kids, and you've put out some really awesome work. I'm really proud of everything that you guys have turned in. So thanks for making student teaching really easy for me. I wish you the best of luck in the future and hope everything goes great. Good luck on this week.